Hey everyone, Mike from 1A Auto. 2015 Chevy Silverado. Going to show you how to check and top off your coolant. Pop the hood on your Chevy Silverado. Hood release is right here in the middle under the steering column. And then as you look at the truck, just go slightly to the left here. There's a little tab sticks up. Just move it to the center of the truck and lift up. Once you pop the hood, your coolant, it's on the passenger side right here in the middle. And you can see there's a line right here. It says full cold. So you only want to do this when the engine's cold. Remove this cap. Make sure you're using GM specified coolant, and a funnel can be good. But then we're just going to add coolant until we're up to that cold line. And you don't have to always be quite perfect, but close. And then make sure you put the cap on nice and tight. And just clean up any coolant that you might have spilled.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1AAuto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.